Draw small horizontal lines too. Start by sketching 2 ovals or circles for the inside each carrot eye. Draw an oval circle positioned at the center point of the eye. Then draw a smaller circle opposite the first circle you created. Connect both circles with curved lines and add details. Color the inside of the nose, drawing with your orange coloring pencils. Finally, to complete the face drawing, we will draw the mouth. We'll try a different method by using rounded circles.